Hi, how to batch print documents stored on Google Drive. Now you go into Google Drive first and then you find the folder where your documents are in. So for example, this one here is under documents, but it could be under a different folder. Now to print them all in one go, what you do is you right mouse on the folder name and select download. What this does, it zips all the files up into one file and downloads it onto your computer. So you see a download box appear in bottom left corner. Click on the arrow up, click showing folder. So as you can see there, it's downloaded to a zip file. Now to print them from here, what you need to do is first extract the zip. Now if you're on Windows 10, you can just double click on the zip and it will open it as a normal folder. But on Windows 7, which I'm on here, you need to extract. So I've already got a winrar installed which can extract zip files. If you need that, just go to rarsoft.com and download that first, and then you'll be able to do this part. So I'm going to right mouse and looking for extract documents, so this folder here. So now it's extracted them to this folder here. So these are the files that are on Google Drive now on your local computer. So to batch print those, all you do is go on to printers and faxes. So you can do devices and printers on Windows 7. And you find your printer that you want to print to. So in this case, I'm going to print to, say, this printer here. Double click on it and open up what's printing box. Now if it doesn't show that on some printers, so for example on this one here, if you double click on it, you can see, you go click on see what's printing. So you double click on that and then it brings up that same box as before. You can close that down now. So to batch print those now, all you do is edit, select all, and then you put your mouse pointer to the top of the list if you want it to start printing from that file onwards. Then your left mouse, and you hold down the left mouse and you move it across, and then you release the left mouse. And what this does, it sets all the prints into that printer. So click yes, and I'll go through each one and print it out. So that's now finished there. So you can see now you've got those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 files they had on Google Drive printed out. And that's exactly how you do it. Also, if you want to change the print order and you find they're getting slightly out of order, you can use a program like our Batch Print Pro. So if you look at the link in the description of this video, you can download it. And what this does, you don't actually need to extract from the zip. You can just drag and drop the zip in and it will extract the files automatically. So you can see now the files in there waiting to print, and you can reorder them as you want. You can just left mouse and say move that one to top. So if you want to print out some classroom notes in a certain order, then you can do that with this, and then just click print when you're ready. If you want to set to a non-default printer, you can go on File, Printer Setup, and you can choose your printer and tray, for example, things like that, and then just click print. And it'll print out to that printer. In a more managed fashion, it will always print one after the other, rather than the other way, it will try to print them all at once. And that's it, give it a try.